She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Allison, and for today's video I wanted to share a couple of things that I've gotten from Mango recently. I've only started shopping at Mango recently, I would say maybe within the last 6 months to a year, but I have to say I've been really enjoying shopping there lately. From their fall winter season, I picked up a couple of really cute pieces, and overall I've just been pretty happy with the price point and the quality of everything. The only thing that sucks is that I am located in California and I'm not sure what the shipping timelines are like for other places, but it takes a really long time for their packages to ship out. Even before COVID, I remember I placed like 1 or 2 orders and I was just surprised at how long it took for the shipping to update. Before we get started, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram. I post outfit photos, beauty, lifestyle, lots of food, and I would love it if you followed me there. Okay, first up are the 2 tops that I picked up, and like I said, I picked these up during the fall winter season, so a lot of these things were on sale and they might not have them on the website in stock anymore, but I will try to link everything below and leave the name of the item because the stock definitely does go in and out. But these are the 2 collared knits that I picked up from Mango that I absolutely love. I've been obsessed with this style of top lately. So the first one is this gorgeous camel one, and this one is made out of 100% cashmere. It's so soft, it feels a really nice quality, and I love that it has a drop shoulder and a little bit more of a boxy fit to it. It's just such an easy top to throw on, and I really love the collar and the neckline detail. I actually sized up and got a medium in this top, mostly because I felt like the sleeve length on the size small was just a little bit too short for what I would like, and it's just like the perfect slouchy, slightly oversized fit. And then the other one is a little bit different. It has more of like a button-up Henley style, as well as this cable knit texture all throughout it. This one was a lot cheaper because it's made out of synthetic materials. It's made out of polyester and acrylic, but I love that the fabric still feels really nice and lightweight and soft. Some acrylic sweaters just feel like plastic and they feel so cheap, but this one does not feel like that at all. So this one is in a more cropped style. It's even boxier than the other one, and I actually just ended up ordering this one in a size large on a whim just because I like the style and it was the last one in stock, but it worked out perfectly. I love the way it fits. I don't like my tops to be too cropped generally, so this one is a really nice length, and then I also don't feel like the sleeves are too long either. They have a little bit of ribbing on the end, so they're not super loose. And yeah, super happy with these. As you can tell, I really love my neutral tan colors, and I love these tops. They are some of my current favorites. Next up are a pair of jeans, and I got the most perfect cream colored jeans from Mango. I'm so incredibly happy with how these worked out because I ordered them on a whim, not really expecting anything, but they turned out to be the exact color that I was hoping for, and they fit like a glove. It's kind of hard to show on camera, so I did bring a pair of my like pure white pair of jeans to compare, and you can see the color difference. This one definitely is like a little bit more of a blue undertone. It's like a stark white, whereas this one is still really light. It's not really tan or too yellow, but it just has like a really nice soft cream undertone. You'll see how they fit in the try-on clips, but they're just a really nice super high-waisted pair of jeans that have a bit of a straight wide leg, and I think it's such a flattering cut. It makes it so easy for these jeans to be dressed up. They look amazing with a pair of heels, and I love that the subtle color difference just makes them a lot more wearable than a stark white pair of pants. I'm definitely on the petite side. I'm 5'3", and these jeans came like 5 inches too long for me, but luckily they already had a raw hem, so I felt no remorse just cutting them off, and now they just have the most perfect fit ever. Let's jump into accessories really quickly. I got a bag from Mango that I've been loving. I believe this is called the Rebecca Crossbody, and I love it. It's just like a really nice simple black and gold crossbody. I love that it has this really thick strap. It just makes it a little bit more edgy and really comfortable to wear. I love how simple the design is, and unlike a lot of crossbody bags, this one actually does hold quite a bit. This is everything that's in my bag. You can see that there's still quite a bit of room to put more stuff. You could put like some sunglasses or something, but basically all I need to be able to carry are my keys, my wallet, and a camera. So in here I just have my keys, my wallet, card holder, some Clorox wipes, and then my little film camera. A lot of my other bags don't fit a camera, so this one has been a really nice everyday bag. And yeah, I've already gotten so much wear out of this bag. The only thing about this bag is that I'm kind of disappointed at how quickly it's showing wear. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but there's a little bit of scratches right here where the magnet kind of scratches the bag a little bit. There's also a little bit of fading on the corners where I presume the bag is wrinkling more. And then lastly, there's just so much wear on these straps. The texture of the material feels the same, but you can see how like faded and almost scratched and wrinkly it looks. You can see this part is like the original condition of the material, and then this part is how it's kind of like wrinkled and worn. It's not too noticeable or anything, so I'm still definitely gonna keep wearing this bag, but I am pretty shocked at how it's held up because I've had plenty of other faux leather bags that never really looked like this. Next up is another wardrobe essential, and they are these black leather ankle boots. These are actually made of real leather and they feel pretty nice. It is so hard to find a pair of low-heeled, comfortable pair of boots that are still really sleek and chic, and these are exactly that. They have this gorgeous like elongated pointed toe that is a little bit squared off at the tip, and then the heel is nice and short, but it's not like a full block heel, but it's not like a stiletto heel either. It's the perfect size to balance comfort and aesthetic, and I am in love with these boots. The next thing that I picked up is a piece of outerwear, and it is this beautiful Sherpa lined motorcycle jacket. I've had my eye on this jacket for a while now, and I was waiting for a sale to come up, so I finally ordered it for 15% off, and I think it looks so nice. These fur-lined aviator and motorcycle style of jackets are always on trend for winter, and lately I've just been really into the contrast between an off-white fur with the black faux leather. I sized up to a medium in this jacket because I knew I wanted to be more roomy and comfortable because it is lined with the fur in the entire jacket. It's still a little stiff and bulky, but I think that's just kind of how these jackets are. So anyway, I love the look of this jacket. I think it's so cute for winter, but I just got it a week ago, and ever since then it's been really sunny and bright and warm, and I'm not really sure how much more opportunity I'm gonna have to wear a jacket like this. So that makes me kind of sad, but let me know in the comments if you think I should still keep it or not. Lastly, I have one more jacket, and I actually purchased this months ago, but last time I checked, it was still on the website, but I still wanted to share it because I think it's still a really cute classic style. So this is a genuine leather biker jacket, and I love this one because it has a really nice boxy cropped fit to it. I would recommend sizing down if you can on this one. I got a size extra small, and it's still plenty like oversized and boxy. Leather biker jackets are always a classic, and since I just prefer the look of like a boxier jacket on me, this one has become my new favorite one. So that is it for my collective haul. I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye out for Mango's spring collection. I love Mango. I feel like they're really similar to Zara, but they just have pieces that are a little bit more wearable and timeless. Thank you all so much for watching. I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!